Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neha, practicing doctor at Bharat Homeopathy. In today's video, we will talk about which treatment is considered the best for psoriasis of the face, or which treatment will give you the best treatment or result. See, when we talk about any system of medicine, whether it is allopathy, Ayurveda or homeopathy, every system of medicine can provide the same treatment as the medicines available with us. If we talk about the allopathic practice of medicine, then in the case of psoriasis, the main line of treatment is dependent on steroid ointment and steroid medicine. When no treatment for anything is understood or the case is not solved, then finally the allopathic practitioner uses steroids. In this regard, I would like to say that we will give only those medicines which are available with us. Suppose an allopathic doctor first gave some medicines and the patient did not get any result from them. Then finally the doctor has to take the help of steroids. Steroids can certainly reduce the presentation on your face if you have psoriasis, and it makes you feel better. However, when you take these medicines and apply them on your face, long-term use, meaning using them for a very long time, can cause a lot of harm. For example, if we talk about ointments, when we use steroids for a long time, our skin starts thinning, meaning the skin becomes thin, and along with it, pigmentation problems start occurring. This means that where you've been applying steroid cream for a long time, your skin starts becoming darker or lighter in color, and also the problem of dermatitis begins. Now, the patient wants to avoid these long-term side effects. The patient wants to get some medicines to apply or eat, which solves his problem and does not cause any other problem. In such a case, homeopathic medicines have a very good role to play. Here I want to say that we do not want to say anything good or bad about any system of medicine. Each system of medicine has its own role. There are many diseases where allopathic medicines have an unbeatable role. But what I am sharing with you today is entirely based on my experience of handling cases for so many years. I am telling you this on the basis of the treatment we have been doing in Indian homeopathy. In the case of psoriasis, the result of homeopathy has been considered very good, found to be very good. And the best thing is that there is no relapse, it does not return. Now, what is the reason for psoriasis not returning? The reason is the holistic approach and customization of medicines. That is to say, when we treat you, we do not just look at your disease, but consider your body as a whole. We try to understand if you have psoriasis, to what extent is it, what is the severity and the intensity. How are your flakes? How much do they become? Do you have burning? Do you have itching? After understanding all the clinical presentation, your past physical history, for a long time you have not had any long illness or any long fever or any such problem that has been going on, along with considering the family history. Along with that, how much stress is in your life? How is your behavior? What is your mental history? What kind of person are you? And how do you deal with challenges? When we consider all these points based on that, we select the constitutional remedy and choose medicines that will be beneficial specifically for you. It could be another case of psoriasis, and the same medicine may not be as beneficial for another patient. Medicines are customized according to your presentation. Drug selection is done and their potency is adjusted. When we give treatment this way, the patient gets very good results. Talking about the Ayurvedic system of medicines, I would like to say that natural herbs like neem-based products or camphor mixed with coconut oil that you can use as an ointment are available outside and you can use them. The result of the Ayurvedic system of medicine is good for ointment-based treatments, but when you talk about oral medications, so far the experience of homeopathy in India suggests that homeopathy has very good results in psoriasis. I hope this video has made it clear which medicine you should use for your psoriasis. For more information, contact our team and we will be there to help you. Thank you.